Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D2, chapter number 11, exercise 11D, that is about the practical application of trigonometry in real world. What are the basic trigonometric ratios and how to memorize them through SOHCAHTOA, and how to decide that which one is opposite and adjacent, because these two are the important points to identify the opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse of the triangle with the reference of given acute angle, and which trigonometric ratio you have to apply for understanding of the lesson. For all those who have missed the previous lesson or those who are catching us late, I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box. You can watch the lesson from there so you can understand the next lessons easily, because these lessons are not only important for D2 students, for D3 students as well, which are doing the further trigonometric ratios and angle of elevation and depression, and for my O-level students who are going to appear in their CIA examinations. So all these students can watch and understand these lessons before the exams properly, because trigonometry is whether that is the basic or further, is one of the important parts of your O-level examination. If you find the difficulty in understanding the lesson, you can come to the channel playlist. Over there, different topics and different books are available in different playlists. Okay, let me move to advanced level question number 13, and let me read the question from the book. As the questions are long, so I'm reading the question from the book. Question 13 says, 2 points P and Q 10 meters apart on the level ground are due west of the foot B of the tree TB. Given that TPB is 23 degrees and TQB is 32 degrees, find the height of the tree. Okay, find the height of the tree. Okay, let me compare the diagram with the original diagram. In the question, that PQ is the distance between 2 points and it's 10 meters, and there are two angles given. Angle at P is 23 degrees and angle at Q is 32 degrees, and B is the foot of the tree and T is the height of the tree. Okay, and actual requirement and final requirement of the question is height of the tree. Okay, now look carefully that actually we are given in the triangle actually in the question we are given with three triangles. One is triangle TPB, okay, and another is the triangle TQB, and the third one I'm especially focusing on this triangle because most of the students are confused. They try to apply basic trigonometric ratios on the type of the triangle TPQ. Here, I want to say that on this triangle, we cannot apply basic trigonometric ratios because this is not the right triangle. So, our focus will be either the triangle TBQ or TBP. Now, coming to actual requirement of question, that we have to find height of the tree. If we look at the question, we can see that we're not given with any length of these triangles except for this 10. So what we have to do is that we have to find the expressions, and then we have to compare the expressions and make the required letter the subject of formula. Okay, let me move to the solution of the question. Okay, first of all, I'm going to take the triangle TBQ. Okay, let me make the diagram TB and Q. Okay, in this triangle TB is the situation of height and Q, and this is 32 degree angle given. Okay, as this is the height, so we can mark it with H, and this is the side opposite to capital T, so let it be T. So in triangle TBQ, triangle T, B and Q, opposite upon adjacent, tangent 32 degrees, tangent 32 degrees equals to H upon T. Okay, Now tangent 32 will give me, this is 0.6248, 0.62486, that can be taken as 0.624 and 9 equals to h upon t, or h can be taken as h equals to 0.6249 and t, and let me block this answer. Now we are going to take which triangle? Okay, outer big triangle, that is TB and P. TB and P. Okay, TBP triangle. TB and P. Okay, now this angle is of my 23 degrees, and this is again the common side of both the triangles, and it is marked as H. And this side P to B, in the beginning I will be taking it as 10 plus T. 10 plus T. Okay, now again what I have to do, I have to apply basic trigonometric ratio in triangle TBP. TB and P, opposite upon adjacent, tangent 23 equals to H upon 10 plus T. Tangent 23 gives me, okay, tangent and 23 gives me 0.4 to 0.4244, okay, 4, and then the next digit is 475 equals to h upon 10 plus t. Now what we can do is we can go for cross multiplication, that 0.4245 into 10 plus t equals to h. Okay, now if we look at this expression, let's mark it with A and let it be B. If we look at A and B carefully, this is the answer of H in terms of T, and here again we're getting the answer of H in terms of T. So what we can do is that we can write, or we can compare 0.4245 into 10 plus T equals to 0.6249 and T. Now simplify the equation, very easy question next, okay, and make T the subject of formula. Always use the concepts that you have learned in your next lessons so that learning become perfect. 4245.424245 multiplied by 10, and this gives me 4.245 plus 0.4245 T equals to 0.6249 T. Shift this T term to other side, and the question will take the form 0.4.245 equals to 0.6249. 0.6249 T minus 0.4245 T. Okay, now take away 0.4245 T, 0.6249 minus 0.4245, and this gives me 0.2004, and T equals to 4.245. Okay, let me continue my calculation at the top of the page. Okay, T will be equal to 4.245 upon 0.200 and 4 equals to T. Now I have to divide 4.245 by 0.2004 to 4.245 divided by 0.2004, and T is 21.18 equals to T, or T, which is equal to QB, is approximately equal to 21.2 meters. Now, what is the actual requirement of question? Actual requirement of the question is height of the tree. Now, height of tree, so that is that we have assumed that is h or TB. H or TB, we can see that TB is involved over here as well, or TB is involved over here. We can find the value of h from any part of the question. So I will be taking h equals to 0.6249 into t. Now instead of t, what we are going to do is 0.6249 into 21.2, because t has the value 21.2. Now 0.6249 multiplied by 21.2, and this gives me 13.24, and next is 7, and h equals to TB equals to 13.3, and the measurements are in meters. So height of tree equals to 13.3 meters. I hope you are clear about today's lesson. But before wind up, I always ask it to my students that before submitting your work, you have to check the calculation. Like if I'm checking that 0.6249 minus 0.4245, okay, 4245, this gives me 0.204, and then 4.245 divided by 0.200004 and 4, this gives me 21.18, 21.2. okay, and here we have to replace the value of t, that is 21.2. 0.6249 multiplied by 21.2 multiplied by 0.6249, and this gives me 13.24. okay. Yes, please develop the habit of rechecking your work before submission. Please watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.